G'day YouTube. Tonight we've got something cool. It's the Min brand TS100 soldering iron. This is actually from banggood.com. They sent me this for the purpose of video review and to have a bit of a play around with it, but it's what they call a pencil soldering iron. Now it's not self-powered, it's actually powered by a 12 to 24 volt 17 to 65 watt power supply, DC. So you feed it DC through the jack in the back there. You can also program the temperature with your computer through that USB port there, micro USB port. So nothing much left to do but to plug it in and test it. Now I'm using a 12 volts 5 amp power supply, and the only plug of this size I could find. Sadly I only had a short lead, so I had to make some magic, but it's positive centered, so remember that. Okay. Awesome little animation there, telling you to press the front button. So press the front button, comes up with the temperature reading, shows a little animation saying that it's heating. Oh wow. Oh well, you don't need to plug it in. We can actually dial our temperature in with the two buttons. Wow. Alright, this is a really cool device for precision work. Just casually put the 250-degree soldering iron down on its cardboard box. Okay, so we got some resin cord 6040. Oh yeah. Must be almost hot enough. We got some smoke. Let's go for 300. Oh yeah, I can smell it. $280, 300. Doesn't like focus on that screen. Anyhow, we're at 300 now. Look at that. Like, to give you an idea of how small it is, there's a little 5mm DC jack. It's literally like the size of a big pencil. I've got reasonably big hands, but like, yeah, beautiful and small and easy to hold. Let's see what temperature it goes up to. $400 C. Wow. Tells you which way the temperature's going. This is a smart little device. 400 C. You see more smoke coming off the tip now. There it is, we've got heaps more grunt. Now look, you can watch it cool down and heat back up again. Also we'll melt a bit of solder. Cooled off. It dropped by 4 degrees and started heating again. Man, that is some serious temperature control. Back to 300. Alright. That is quite awesome. I'm really quite impressed with that. How low does it go? I'm not sure what you'd use a lower temperature for. 100 Celsius. Yeah, it's only slowly cooling down from 200. Okay, and if you press both buttons it turns it off. Okay, how to operate it. You press both buttons to stop it, press that one to start it. And we go back up to 300 because that's where we're all pretty happy. Like that. Away it goes. Now where this will be a very, very handy device is plugged into a LiPo pack or two. If you've got a 3S or 4S LiPo pack, one of these connectors on the end and an XT60 connector, this would be so good for making repairs to your RC car out in the field. Press the 2 again, shuts it off. It's got a very cool little, I think it's an OLED screen. So it comes as the device, just the actual handpiece, and then the tip comes in it as well. Now it doesn't come with a plug, but it does list the plug that you need, which is a DC5525, just for you to know. Links to this will be in the video description so you can buy one. It is epic. That's decent size solder too, by the way. That's 1.6 millimeter. So what's that, about 1/16 of an inch? Somewhere there. That is really cool because anything from 12 volts to 24 volts, so you can use anything from a 3S LiPo to a 6S LiPo. You can use laptop chargers. That's hasn't developed any temperature. Use laptop chargers, phone chargers, not phone chargers, laptop power supplies, things like that. 18 volt cordless drill batteries. Make up a little adapter cable. Go from that to that. That is a very cool little item. Very smart. Like some of these technologies coming out of Asia are just so good because of the interfaces they're giving them. It's in English. It's press this button and it fires up. Like it tells you what you need to do. Awesome little bit of gear. Very precision. The tip of it's awesome size wise. So there's the tip versus a T10 Torx bit. So if you do a bit of soldering and precision soldering, like we're about to for the next video, this is a red hot ticket for you. It wasn't overly expensive, it's micro fine, awesome precision, you can get your temperatures right so you're not going to damage any of your components. Thank you Banggood for sending me this. This is going to stay on the bench and get used quite a bit, and it's portable. I do have a Milwaukee cordless soldering iron, but every tip for it is much bigger, so this will be heaps better for the smaller, finer stuff. And yeah, we can plug it into a multitude of different things. Huge voltage range, precision control up to 400C. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Catch you in the next video. Cheers.